This is Roxy's first walk into the wilderness of Arizona. Yeah, I believe we have to pay for parking. Yeah, because I remember there was machines there. There's supposed to be a path around here. We're going to try and find it. That circles around the lake. But first we got to go see how much we're going to get soaked for parking. Let's bring Roxy to the water. See what she does. Hey, Roxy. Hey, Roxy. You all excited? Go play in the water. Oh no, she's gonna lay down in it. Oh, there you go.
Feels good.
Oh yeah, you're gonna. It's okay. You're gonna need a bath. Eh? Yeah, she loves water. Not like Rocco. Rocco was like, "Ooh, this is acid." Well, she's not sure now. It kind of felt slimy over there, didn't it, Roxy? Hey, Roxy. You like the water, don't you? Roxy, I want to go see that dog. It's 5 for 6. The only thing about walking in these places is like if you go a little bit off the path, you got to be careful in places like that because you can encounter a rattlesnake. And yeah, nobody likes rattlesnakes, but they are here. Now look at this massive mountain. Well, it's not really a mountain, it's just that.
Good girl.
Look how green the water is, eh? Yeah, I'm sure I'm going to be picking up some wind here. And there's my sexy wife and the puppy. And there's a dead saguaro. It's just really cool scenery over here. I know it's a lot of rock and dust, but there is some green stuff. I think those saguaro cactuses are really awesome. People never realize how tall they are, you know. But they grow about 1 inch a year, so you can probably estimate how long it took for that one to grow. Look how dirty Miss Roxy is. She's gonna need a big time bath. Just got back from a hike. And we got her lashes flapping in the wind. And I even trimmed them by mistake. They'll get even longer than that. Hey, Miss Roxy? Roxy, what's going on?